Hello guys, today's video there are going to be battle of two powerful units. One is the Firewolf and second is the Lava Dragon. What if these two monsters get fight? Who will win? Let's find out. So without getting late, let's get start the video. First, let's get talk about Firewolf. Firewolf was mentioned in Greek and Norse mythology. Firewolf has a related of Hellhound Garmer, and he was the protector of Hell underworld to protect the spirit to escape them. And Firewolf have a lot of powers like soul manipulation, pyrokinesis, fire breath, fireball attack, radiation consumption, plasma blasts, and etc. And he can sense their fear and power. Now let's talk about Lava Dragon. Lava Dragon was the destructor of form of Lucifer. When Lucifer was almost defeated, he turned into a giant monster dragon and fighting with gods. But after the divine powers, this dragon was defeated. But dragon has a lot of powers like shape and size shifting, mind controlling powers, hellfire, pyrokinesis, meteor shower, fire blast, fire pulse, and they created firestorms that gave lot of destruction. And this ability has a fire armor to protect them and lava consumption, creating high magma rate. And this magma was very powerful that destroyed powerful metals. And that's all. If the two monsters get fight, Fire Dragon will win then by their size and strength. And so today's winner is Fire Dragon. Who will win? Give your opinion and like the video, subscribe my channel, so turn on bell notification you don't miss any update. So thank you guys, thanks for watching my video.